Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Freedom Mortgage account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Freedom Mortgage account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I've already opened the Google Chrome. And on the search bar, click over there and type in the address freedommortgage.com as I have typed on my screen or the search bar, and after that hit on enter and then you'll be directed to the home page of Freedom Mortgage. So let's wait for it guys. And now over here, this is the home page of Freedom Mortgage. Now in order to log into your account, at the top right corner of the screen you can see there is the login button available for us. Click on that login button and then we'll be directed to the sign-in page of the Freedom Mortgage. And now over here, in order to log into your account, you'll be required to enter your email address with which you have signed up for a Freedom Mortgage account over here guys, and I've got enter your password over here. But guys, if you forgot your email address or your password, you can already retrieve it or reset it from over here where it says the forgot email or forgot password. If you click on either of these buttons, you'll be taken to a page where you'll be either able to reset your password or retrieve your email address. And with that being said guys, after entering your email address and your password, simply click on the login button available over here and then you'll be signed into your Freedom Mortgage account online on your computer. And with that being said guys, this is how you log into your Freedom Mortgage account on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.